Long time no see. Okay, so finally I'm back and I'm really sorry that I couldn't make a video because I had continuous exams. But now they are finally over. So I'm back because I am the one.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. By any means, your enemies, my enemies, we wet them up like a canteen.
Okay, so now let's leave all the dramatic part behind. So today's video is about something really cool. So stay tuned to find out. So like I mentioned earlier, that today's video is gonna be on something really cool. So this is what I was talking about. Oh yes. Okay. You must be wondering what this is. So let's unbox this bad boy and I'll tell you out. Inside this box is the new Nerf Rampage CS25. So let's unbox this bad boy out, then I will give you all the details. For unboxing, let me give you some brief information on how this gun works and what are the cool features in it. The Nerf Rampage CS25 shoots in two firing modes, which is number 1, the normal firing mode, which fires normally 25 darts in normal speed. But the second mode is a pretty cool mode which you won't find on many other guns. But the Nerf Rampage is just like the descendant of the Nerf Raider, which had a very bulky dart drum which had 35 darts. So that looked good, but the gun was pretty heavy itself. Nerf Rampage fires 25 darts. If you don't know what Slamfire mode is, let me tell you. Slamfire mode is a firing mode in which you have to keep the trigger pulled and you have to prime the reloading handle very quickly, and it will fire darts in quick succession, which is very handy in a Nerf war. But let me warn you, do not use this feature quite often, as while the darts exit the dart drum, they might get stuck up and tear very often. So yeah, I'll shoot in the normal firing mode, but if needed I'll use that. If you don't know what Slamfire mode is, let me tell you. Slamfire mode is a firing mode in which you have to keep the trigger pulled and you have to prime the reloading handle very quickly, and it will fire darts in quick succession, which is very handy in a Nerf war. But let me warn you, do not use this feature quite often, as while the darts exit the dart drum, they might get stuck up and tear very often. So yeah, I'll shoot in the normal firing mode, but if needed I'll use that. So now let's unbox this bad boy out. Okay guys, this box is so big and bulky you can barely see me, but it's still okay because you can hear my voice from the external microphone. Let's unbox this bad boy out. So I have to literally stand to unbox this. This is one of the biggest boxes I've ever had for doing an unboxing video. Okay guys, so I finally unboxed this and oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's glorious. So let me show it to you. Okay guys, but before showing you the box, let me show you what's inside. Yay! Airbags, my favorite. If you saw my last, I don't know what video that was, but if you saw my last Nerf video, you must be knowing that I love these things. So let it go to hell now. Okay, now they've given me so much to play with, so I'll play with this afterwards. Okay, there's more. So now let's get to business. Okay guys, so for the moment of truth, 3, 2, 1. So this is the first looks of the box. This is the front part. The front part says that this just shows the image of a guy playing, I think this is a Chinese person, playing with the gun, and this says that it has 25 dart drum and it fires up to 27 meters, which I'll tell you how many feet is 27 meters later. Okay, so enough of talking, now let's unbox this bad boy out. Okay, so now there's a piece of tape over here. Just cut through it like this. Okay, so is just having one piece of tape, like the normal Nerf pull-out boxes like this. I put my hand through this. So there you go. So tough. Okay. Now let's. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I realize what I did. I forgot to open the flaps. Okay, man. It's so tough. Almost done. Done. Okay, guys. So this is the things included in the box. Let me just guide you through it once. This is the dart drum, which I really love, and the color texture on this is super good. These are the 25 LED darts. This is, I think, a connector which connects the dart drum to the Nerf blaster. So here is an instruction manual which is stuck. That's weird. I'll stick it over here for some time. Okay, so if you don't know where the instruction manual is, it's actually hidden behind the dart drum over here. So don't throw the box if you don't know how to install it. But of course, I'm going to show you. So now let's cut everything out of the box. Just like that. These are the 25 darts. Be careful, you don't want to scratch it. It's super fancy stuff. Okay guys, so this is good. The packing of the blaster is pretty high quality. Okay, so sorry, I'm really sorry. Actually, this is the real instruction manual, and this is, I don't know, some shitty instruction manual.
It's the make up of Amigo Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah. You know who's back up in this.
What?
Yeah, sup, Snoop?
Top dog, light 'em up, burn it. DPGC, man, turn it. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up.
This is the real instruction manual. So yeah, let me just guide you quickly through it. The first page shows you all the features which were mentioned behind the box. The second page has some very difficult to read language which I don't understand. Okay, the third page and the fourth page are something I really want to know. This is how you have to install the connector, which is the part over here. So yeah, even I don't know how to install it, so I'm gonna show you how. And this part over here, this part actually shows you how to rotate the dart drum inside if some darts are stuck. Okay guys, so I figured out how to put this. You just have to align all the bricks with this and just press hard. Yep, like that. Now you are ready to shoot. Oh man, there is so much power. One thing I noticed about the priming handle, it's super smooth and it's super easy to prime it, like that. Here. And until you prime it to the end, where you hear a click, like that click, then you know you have to prime it in front. Then you will get the shooting part. And if you don't do it till the end, which I just did by mistake, and if you put it to the front part, it gets stuck like this. So you have to pull it to the back, front, shoot. Okay guys, now let's get to the drum part. So now I have installed this. So I wanted to tell you a thing, that when the handle is in front, the dart drum won't go in, it gets stuck. So you have to pull it behind like this. Put the dart drum inside, like, oops, sorry, I put it in the wrong way, like this. Now it's locked, it won't fall out. And if you want to take the dart drum out, you just want to press this little switch over here, which will release it. Now it's nice and locked. You have to put it front. Now it won't come out. You have to shoot now. So you might be wondering what this thing does. Let me tell you. If ever the dart gets stuck, this really helps, as it turns the dart drum inside. So this is a good feature which they have installed in this gun. And let me just tell you, this gun has been very smartly made. So the first cool feature is this. This part is opaque. That means opaque means an object you can't see through. And the back part is transparent. And you must be wondering, why did they do that? Let me tell you. They did that because when the opponent is in front of you, they can't see your ammo. And only you can see your ammo from behind. So that's a really good feature which you won't find on the normal magazines. So after some time, when I will give you the review in more detail, I'm going to put some really good combinations in this Rampage, and I'm going to even make a combination out of the Retaliator. So I'll show you afterwards. So now let's get into the darts part. Here is the dart drum. I'm going to keep it aside for a second. Here are all my 25 elite darts. Oh my god, do I love new darts. Okay, so let's put them one by one inside. And as you can see the logo, we have to put it like this. And if you put it like this, you will not be able to shoot. So yeah, keep that in mind. You just put it in like this, all the way in. So let me load it, then I'll show you. Okay guys, I've loaded some darts inside. I'm not going to load all 25 of them for now. So yeah, one tip I wanted to tell you, keep this in mind. Do not load all 25 darts at all times, as it may loosen the spring, which is a big problem. Then when the spring is loose, you have to take the whole drum apart, and I know how that feels because I've done that once and it's very difficult to fix it back again. So I wanted to tell you one more thing before going to the shooting part. Even this gun has a secret outlet for inlet for a dart, which the Retaliator has too. So you can put it here, and if in the Nerf or you're out of darts, you just need one more dart, you can just take it out from here. This is a really handy feature which I love. So now now the handle is fine behind. I'm putting the dart drum in, ready to shoot. That was the first dart that was ever shot from my Rampage. That went far. So overall, this gun is really powerful in normal firing. Now let's try the dangerous thing, the rapid fire. So in that, you have to prime the handle, prime the trigger behind, and just shoot. Okay, that shot more darts than I expected. So I have to clear this mess now. I'll meet you once again. Okay guys, so now I have collected all the darts. Which was a big problem because half of them went inside the sofa, half landed on my MacBook, half landed in my fish tank, but I tried them, so that's good. So one awesome thing I forgot to tell you about this blaster. This is the new Rampage, not the old one. So it has really awesome army decals, if you can see over here, which you usually see in army uniforms, that pixelated diagram that they have on their uniforms looks really cool. So this gun has some on its body too. So as you can see over here, and you may see, this gun is covered with them, which looks really cool. That's a nice feature of this gun. So if you want to keep the gun at rest, this is the resting position. Looks pretty good from behind. And yeah, the gun has one attachment point over here. And let me see if there are any more. Nope, there's only one attachment point. So if you want to attach it, you have to attach both the points over here. So one thing I noticed is when you fill the gun fully, it may get a little heavier than it is before loading the darts. So that's not such a big problem, but that's still okay. This may be one of the heaviest blasters I have, but if you're going for this is the best choice because the power in this is super good and it fires to a good distance. Like most of the darts go to a good distance and the last few go a little less, but are still okay. So better than the Stockade, which is automatic. So I'll obviously recommend this gun as a not an automatic gun but a standard gun. If you want to add it to your arsenal, this is the best. Now let's try on some combinations. Okay guys, so this is my Stockade. Now let's take the stock out of this. Stockade stock rhymes. So yeah, we'll take this out. So this is a good combination because This is the elite one and both are elite. So they have the blue and orange combination which looks super cool to me. So this is how it looks. Looks pretty cool because the Rampage doesn't have a stock included. So you have to just put the other stock from the other gun. So as you can see, my bullets are lined over here. Now let's put them one by one over here. So this is a good feature, but this feature won't come in handy if you're fighting Nerf wars, because you won't have the time to load all the 10 darts inside the drum slowly. Till then you will be dead by your enemy. Just saying. I hope you won't. Okay guys, this is how it looks with the darts loaded in it. Looks pretty pleasing to me, but won't come in handy in a Nerf war. Let's just keep it here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is take my retaliator. This is not a full retaliator. It has the front part and the holding part. You can't attach the holding part because it already has one, so it won't happen. But a good combination would be the stock of the retaliator and the Rampage. So this stock won't do much. It has just two attaching points. So this would be good if you wanted two attaching points, and if you don't have a steady hand like me. I don't have a steady hand at all. I left tennis at the age of 4, so from then my hand is pretty weak. So I use my shoulder to keep the gun, and like this your aim would be better and the gun won't shake like this like it does. Let me just show you. While shooting, the gun moves a lot, but if you have a steady hand, which I don't, it might be good. So sorry, I don't have one. Next is the coolest feature. Not a feature, just a modification I want to show you. Just take the magazine of the retaliator, put it to the, please, let's hope this works, Rampage. Oops, sorry. Oh man, this looks cool now. I'm like one of those military people fighting the war. This looks cool, but have you ever thought how would a dart drum look on a retaliator? I thought that. Looks like the Hyperfire, and I'm telling you, this looks really cool because you don't have the thing coming out from the bottom. This is a pretty good modification because it has 25 darts and this only has, I think, 12. Yeah, 12. So you can use this. It's a pretty good modification. So it comes in handy in a Nerf war, so you can just keep shooting, and believe me, Retaliator has a really good aim, but unlike the Rampage, it has more power, this has more aim, and this is more of a shitty gun. But this is still good as a primary gun. Then if you want a secondary gun to save your last ammo, you must buy the Mastodon or the Hyperfire. Till date, I think those are the best guns because the Hyperfire shoots 5.5 darts in 1 second, which I think is accurate, and I'm telling you the correct information. But that's a really good firing rate, which this of course won't offer you, because it's like the fastest you can go in this is like, and it jams pretty much. So yeah, that's all for the modification part. Okay guys, I know you're a quiz lover like me, so click right here about 3, 2, 1. Yeah, click right there. So there will be a quiz. Which is the best gun of these three? Well, this. Answer it over here. Okay guys, so a huge shout out to all my subscribers who are Joe Does Vlogging, Tamal Roy, Arjun Mehra, Rene Manjawar, Seema Diwan, Shialja Nair, Jeremy Hoof, Abdul Ghafoor, XX the Potato XX, Nate Zed, Shakila Fernando, Hey It's Gosha, Sri Ganesh 100, Atharva Karade, Tara Roy, Sanjay Ruia, Connor Harte, Srishti Chakraborty, Sans the Skeleton, Fluffy Dog Gamer, Woodstock, Tanya Alamide, and Roy Prabha. Thanks for watching all my video and subscribing. Hey guys, if you subscribe, thanks for it, and if you have not, thanks for joining the show. Really appreciate it. And yeah, can we just please aim to hit 110 subscribers? It's really my dream. Please make it come true. Thank you. Until next time, bye. For this video guys, if you find this video helpful, please be sure to smash that like button and do not forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe to my channel, please comment your name in the comment section down below. If you are a lazy person like me who doesn't want to scroll all the way down to subscribe, just click on my face. Yup, over here.